and welcome to another tutorial on the EA Global AI platform. Today we're going to be talking about interrogating large frameworks within the knowledge base. This is very similar to interrogating smaller documents. However, if we go into our document library, we will see amongst all of our other documents we have the B Corp framework and B Corp FR. B Corp FR is the foundational requirements of the larger B Corp framework. I've added this so that it will be a quicker run for us today. So let's go back to Scratchpad. In Scratchpad, I want to get a list of policies that will be compliant with the larger B Corp framework and help me to develop them. So let's type this in. By providing the name of the document that we're looking for, it will ensure that when the AI searches the knowledge base, it only looks at this particular document and comes up with things that are relevant to this, instead of searching the wider knowledge base. And in this case, we'll be able to develop our policies based solely on the B Corp FR framework. Perfect. So it's found some documents. As we can see, it has only found the B Corp FR document that we were looking for, but it's provided this to us in prose. I want it as a list. So now, instead of going away to find more documents, it will simply go back over what it has written and produce these as a numbered list. Brilliant. Here we go. So we can see a stakeholder governance policy. I want to do that. Help me to derive a stakeholder. What I would like is I want this to be a document now, and I don't want the citations because I want to make sure that it is ready to go. I can copy it and there won't be anything that I need to take out. So in using the document drafter button, this will develop a policy that is within a downloadable, copyable document. It will search the knowledge base, and because we've already told it to look specifically at the B Corp FR document, it will go away and it will look at this again and develop that policy based solely on the B Corp FR document. And here we go. I just clicked into this and we will be able to see that the stakeholder governance policy has 7 different parts. And what will now be possible is to download this as a PDF, download it as HTML, or simply copy it into Word and work with it to know that it is aligned with the B Corp framework. If you have any issues or you would like some help, please don't hesitate to use the Get Help button in the bottom left-hand corner.